Ehi compare, che stai suonando? Hello everybody, today we make Bucatini di Mezzanotte. Now a lot of people say, what's Mezzanotte? Mezzanotte, it's 12 o'clock at night. With my friend, when I was at the Orsara, we was play and say, okay, come into my house and we cook something. I was make bucatini or spaghetti, any kind of the pasta you want, and you got everything. We was cook like 2 kilos of pasta, it's like a 4 pound, and it's so cheap. And for this recipe, it's a fresh tomato and fresh herbs. It's from my garden. Rosemary, thyme, sage, basil, garlic, my oil baby hot pepper, and we got a pecorino cheese. What I did with the tomato, I boil a little bit and I take the skin out and I take the seeds out. And now we chop the tomato. Now, I look like this, but make sure when you chop, do not chop your finger, okay? And we do the garlic now. And the garlic, what I do, I chop like this, you break. It's so easy to do like this. You see this garlic? We chop thin. And after I want to show you something on the video after. I got something special for everybody to look. Now the garlic is not gonna be really thin. The pepper, so you don't like a hot pepper, no put. You don't need it. A lot of people, you got kids. For me, I like a hot. But, so you don't like a hot, no use. And this is the pepper, what I do, I put like this, and I slide like that. And after you can chop like this. Hey, this oil, baby, it's really hot. Okay, it's enough for now for this. Okay, now we put on this little monkey dish over here. Okay, and this you gotta go everything with the sauce for the bucatini alla mezzanotte. Okay, now we gotta start with the sauce. And we need good oil di oliva. And we put, nice. Okay, now we gotta warm up really good. Okay, now we start with the garlic. All right, see, and the garlic already started to jump. The smell is so good. Okay, now we put the pepper, hot pepper. Oh yeah, baby. And we got the herbs, and we got everything, thyme, rosemary, and this sage, and we got everything over here. Now this, one time you saute, after we take it out, put these herbs and make the sauce delicious. Everybody say, Pasquale, why are you so happy? I'm happy for the pasta. Okay, now look how beautiful it look now. Nice. Make sure to not burn nothing. And now it's the time of my plum tomato. Okay, and we got this other dish over here. Good. And we give a nice turn. Okay, we raise the gas a little bit, and now this is tomato. You gotta cook a little bit. And look at this. Oh, hey, chamba, hey. Huh? Nice, huh? When you cook, make sure to do like this all the time. You gotta be happy. Okay, I got my fresh basil. Look how beautiful over here. Look at that. When you make this, it's the basil. Look at that. Look how beautiful. And now you give a nice, like this, nice saute. You saute, and the tomato, you gotta saute too. Okay, you see? Nice, huh? Okay, now we got sea salt. And we put a little salt over here in the sauce. A little black pepper. We gotta season this sauce really good. I gotta put salt like Adriatico say salty. And look at this now. 1 and 2. Adriatico. Ehi compare, che stai suonando? Sai suonare i bucatini. E come si suonano i bucatini? Boom! I bucatini. Okay, now make sure this you gotta go really slow, because the bucatini it's a little thick. It take a little time to go inside the water, but make sure when you cook the pasta, the below water. Okay, now the pasta you gotta cook. We give a little saute for the sauce. And what happen? We gotta lower the gas. Do not boil too much. I don't want the tomato to cook really too much. And now I gotta show you something really nice. Now, you see this? I wanna know so everybody know what's this. This it's a garlic. I planted this garlic, I think 7 days ago. I was planted 12 and I got a 12. And look how beautiful it look. Huh? I planted garlic outside too. Outside it's more smaller than this. And look at that. Beautiful. Okay, the pasta it's most al dente. I want to take out some of my herbs over here. And we put it right on this dish. I don't want to mix it with my bucatini. Especially the rosemary and the sage. But it's at the time. The basil it's okay, because the basil, everybody loves the basil. The basil is not giving no problem. But the thyme, you see, I take it out. Now the pasta is done, and we put close to my sauce over here. Now, I want to say something else. Not throw away the water, because you never know, maybe you need when you mix. Because now I put inside over here with the sauce, and I want to stay like maybe 1 more minute, saute together, because you want to give a good taste. The pasta out. Oh, look. Oh, this bucatini want to run away. Oh, look how beautiful. It's okay, go a little water. You need a little water. Okay, now we give a nice turn on this. You gotta be really, we put the gas a little bit high. And look how beautiful, look at this bucatini. Now, so you need a little water, you can use the water. But now, still I'm okay. And I want to put some more basil. Basilico. Look at that. This, it gives a really, really good taste. Basil, I like basil. Ooh. You need a little water. And we do, like I said before, not throw away the water. And we turn, nice. Okay. It's time to taste my Bucatini Mezzanotte. E mezzanotte. Okay, now let's start my pasta, my Bucatini di Mezzanotte. All right, now a little pecorino cheese. Good. And now, I need the wine. Good. And let's taste. Ooh, Bucatini. It's a really good dish. This is Bucatini di Mezzanotte. E mezzanotte, anzi lo era, un giorno o l'altro toccano le 2, ma non importa, sono felice di imbocciare.
You forgot the rest of the words?
Yeah. Chin chin. Salute, and we see you next time. Ah, salute! Ah. Thank you.